I just ordered an ASUS monitor. It came in this huge box, as you can see by the size of the X-Acto knife compared to the box. Well, let's open it up and check it out. Let's open it up.
I got this for $249.
And there it is, the ASUS VP28U 28-inch Ultra HD 4K monitor. 1 millisecond trace free. Has Game Plus, Play Like a Pro. A 5-way navigation control on the back. It's wall mountable. Has eye care and AMD Free Sync. Comes with a 3-year warranty. That's the side of the box. Has some more information at the top. It's got a brown front and says ASUS. There's top of the box. Has a handle in the center. ASUS logo on the left side. Let's cut that open. Shows there's the base. Put the base in the bottom of the monitor. Then put in the hand screw and screw it in. And then set your monitor up. Okay, let's see what we got in the box here. Got one HDMI cable here. It also comes with a direct video cable, direct to direct. Got an instruction booklet here. Here's the instruction booklet for setup. Take the styrofoam out of the box. Looks like we got the base here. There's the base with some plastic on it. Let's take the plastic off of there. It's shiny and reflective. There's your tape holding your screw in there. Just gonna leave that on for now. All right, let's take the monitor out of the box. One more bag in the box. And the last bag has the power cord. Now I have the monitor face down on a flat surface. I am going to attach the bottom mount. Okay, got the mount attached. Now just hand screw it in the bottom. Okay, got that nice and hand tight. Put the flap down. Here's a little 5-way control on the back. Okay, we'll plug our power cable into the back there. On the right side, we have our 2 HDMI ports, our video port, and our headphone jack. Then to the right of that, you have a lock. You have a wall mount and an ASUS logo on the back. Let's plug the power cord into the back of the monitor. Plug the HDMI cord into the back of the monitor. Plug the other end of the HDMI cord into your computer. Plug the power cord in. Turn the monitor on. Alright, there we have the display. And now we have our display showing at 4K.
Here's a look at the entire screen. Running on the screen is the Unreal 5 demo, which is running in 4K. At $249, I think it's the best deal out there currently for a 4K monitor. All around, I think it looks good. It does what I need it to do, and it's much cheaper than the Samsung I bought a couple years back.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.